Look at that, it's like a watch. You see all these gears are actually spinnable, so you kind of want to be careful closing it and opening it. Wow, that is amazing. That's a one-of-a-kind knife. It's a piece of art. That's definitely next level knife. Water bottle lantern with a solar lid right here. As you can see, the light is on. Press it, flashing. So you can even take it off and use it as a flashlight, or if you want to use it as a lantern, you put it in here and the water will refract a lot of light, so it will be pretty bright. So it has 3 modes: bright, lower and flashing. And also on top of it, the lid will glow in the dark, so that way you know where it's at. It's pretty bright if you ask me. And if you need a flashlight, boom, you got a LED flashlight which is even brighter. Wow. And if we shut it off, it's glow in the dark. This right here, retrieving tool, everyday carry. You just open it and there should be 3 little picks. I think it comes with 3 extra. So just flip them over and then screw it back on. And then put some kind of string on the other side or rope, and that way you have a little grappling hook to retrieve some keys or whatever. I think it's just cute grappling hook more than anything. I have no idea if I would ever have to use it in any scenarios, but definitely pretty cool keychain tool. Retractable keychain pen. So there's a pen right here. Also, to replace this pen, all you have to do is just take this off. You can sell extras and put a new one in, and then just plug it in and screw it back on. And look how long that pen is. And then if you want to put it away, boom, everyday carry, tiny little pen. Tech accessory. This right here, miniature measuring tape. Wow, you know, ordering it, I didn't even realize how small that is. And it looks like there's a toolkit for it to be fixed. Looks like 90 centimeters and 35 inches. That's beautiful. You just use this tool to open it and put this right here, and it will become keychain. That's genius. Or you can just have it as a pocket tool measurement. Leather roller. Let's see how it works. So just plug it in right here. Boom. So then you grab the leather and roll it instead of carrying it. So tall leather, don't have to carry it anymore. So tall leather, don't have to carry it anymore. You see how it's rolling. Pretty cool, isn't it? How about belt flask? That is hilarious. Quite useless. So you put a regular belt onto here and here, and then you can pull this out like a belt buckle, and you can put some energy drink in there or hydration water. So that's pretty awesome, right? That's a big belt buckle. This right here probably the best flashlight for your car, because first of all you have right here adapter for charging your car the old school, or you can replace this and put it onto USB charger and charge up your flashlight, or you can put it on a laptop. But most cars have this new USBs, and some cars still do have these ones, even the new ones. Boom, plug it in and it will charge your flashlight, and also you have it ready anytime. This gadget I never seen before. This is a necklace, knife sharpening stone. It actually feels really light. There's edges and edges right here, so you can even sharpen serrated knives. Okay, this is what it's going to look like. Looks pretty beautiful necklace, but at the same time very purposeful, because you have sharpening stone. Everyday carrier rope belt. So you got right here 30 meters of rope, and it's highly adjustable. As you can see, belt buckle looking nice, and you can pretty much plug it in anywhere and put it through the excess. And if you need to unwind it, you got 30 meters of rope. Green bottle opener. Flip it over, grab it like this, and pull it open. How cool is that? Let's see what they're all about. You got it here, bottle opener, regular fork, a spoon, and if you pull on that, I guess you gotta push right here. You got it here, a tiny little serrated knife and a classic blade. Again, it's plastic, not very sharp, but I bet it still will do the job crimping. That is quite unique. large blow-up lantern, but they have upgraded with the USB charger, or you can even charge it like a power bank. So you open that and you actually take this and blow it up, just like a pool floaty. So the cool part about it, it's floatable. So you press it right here, it's only on one, so pretty much dead. Not too much sun, so we'll have to charge it up. This is what it's going to look like in the dark. As you can see, it's really bright. But also you can charge your phone by plugging in USB cord, comes with it. Cool. And then twist it, and that way it will deflate really good. So big lantern turns on very skinny lantern. Got a here tender zip, so holder for your zipper, except you can use it to start a fire. So simply put it over your zipper and it's supposed to open pretty easily right here. Boom. So you can always reuse that and replace it a different one. But what you do with this one is, and you just remove that red wire or like rope right here, and then you can fluff it up. This stuff gives off nice burn and it's really easy to light. Obviously even with striker it will light really easily. So yeah, you see it's burning pretty good. 7 inches Corona folding saw. This is the most high quality but cheapest folding saw you can find. Look at one swipe, almost 2 swipes. I like that grip right here, just grab it up, pull 1, 2. So pretty nice, cheapest folding saw, that's the best. Oh, like there's a bench. Fence post. So as you can see, this is a really thick fence post and dried out, and it cuts it in seconds. Nice. How about this folding pot? One of a kind for sure. So you flip it open and boom. So it's actually pretty simple. You open this end and open this end and fold it, and there is a little clip on this end, and just lock it in. Clips are really strong. So fold it and clip it right here. Boom. And you have right here a really big pot. So you press this, then you flick it out. That's it. And then you press this, and you want to close it, you close it this way. Probably best to use 2 hands. So this button is just to close it. If you don't push this button, this knife is not moving anywhere. Also, that knife don't have any wiggle, maybe a little bit, but what I love that wiper and the brand of it right here, not the most expensive brand, is that uniqueness of this knife. Look at that. You hold it and pack it this way right here, and then you take off safety and just push it with your finger. That's it.